A cold cloth on your forehead slows your racing heart. Your voice goes thin and shaky the moment you get scared. A low hum in the back of your throat settles something deep in your chest. None of those are random, and none of them are really about willpower. They're all the work of 12 specific nerves running quietly under everything you feel, and you've been living with them your whole life without names for them. By the end of this, you'll know what each of the 12 does, and you'll catch them in the act the next time your body does one of these things on its own. These are the cranial nerves, the wiring that runs your face, your throat, your hearing, your vision, your heartbeat, and your gut. Here's the tour, one by one, just enough to give each one a real job. CNI is the olfactory nerve, smell. And here's the part that surprised me. It's the only cranial nerve that bypasses the thalamus entirely and plugs straight into the limbic system, which means for you, a scent can shift your emotional state before your thinking brain even registers it. CN2 is the optic nerve, vision. It also regulates pupil size. Pupil dilation is one of the fastest readable signals of where your nervous system is right now. CN3, IV, and VIII all control eye movement. 3 separate nerves just for moving your eyes around. That's how metabolically expensive vision is. CN3 also runs the pupil constriction reflex, the one that closes down in bright light. CNV is the trigeminal, the big sensory nerve of your face, forehead, cheeks, jaw, with 3 branches covering the whole surface. It's also the pathway behind the diving reflex. Cold on your face reaches your brainstem in about a second and drops your heart rate. CN7 is the facial nerve. It runs every muscle of expression you have. The smile, the raised eyebrow, the micro expressions other people read in about 200 milliseconds to decide whether you're safe. Central to how regulated nervous systems signal safety to each other. CN8 is the vestibulocochlear nerve, hearing and balance. The part that picks up sound frequency is the same structure that detects whether you're tilting. Your ears aren't just for listening. They're always telling your brainstem where you are in space. CN9 is the glossopharyngeal nerve. It runs your gag reflex and the dive reflex. Cold water on your face activates it almost instantly. One of the most reliable fast-acting ways to shift your state, which we'll dig into properly in the trigeminal episode. CNX is the vagus. It runs from your brainstem down through your neck, chest, heart, lungs, and gut. 5 distinct branches, each with a specific job. The most wide-ranging nerve in your body. CNX is the accessory nerve. It controls the muscles of your neck and upper back, specifically the ones that carry chronic tension under long-term stress. The tightness you can't quite stretch out is often this nerve doing its job under strain. CN2 is the hypoglossal nerve. It runs your tongue. Where your tongue sits in your mouth right now affects your airway, your jaw tension, and through those, your vagal tone. That's all 12. Notice, 5 of them are directly tied to the social engagement system. Face, voice, hearing, eyes. The body put enormous wiring into reading and being read by other people, because for most of human history, another regulated nervous system nearby was the fastest path to calm. If you saw the last one, on why a sensitized system can leave you dizzy all day even when every test comes back fine. This is the anatomy one level down. That floaty off-balance feeling lives largely in CN8, the vestibulocochlear nerve, one of the 12 you just met. Subscribe. Next, we go inside the vagus in detail. 5 branches, 5 jobs, and the 30-second touch that reaches the branch closest to the surface.